Hello guys, how's it going? Joe here from the Tutorial Guys, and today I'll be doing a pretty simple tutorial, but it's going to help lots of people. I'll be showing you how to install custom maps on your Team Fortress 2 game. Today I'll be installing TR_walkway. It is an awesome map. Pretty much bots just run across this walkway in a straight line, and you can change the way they strafe and attack. And there's tons of settings you can do, and it's just great for practicing everything in the game, such as trick stabs and headshots, or rocket blasting, or pretty much anything. Alright, so let's begin by actually going to this link. This link is tf2.gamebanana.com/maps/107794. Really, don't worry about that. It's all going to be okay. I'll put it in the description. You don't have to memorize or type out this whole thing. To begin, we're going to scroll down the page a little bit and hit this green download button. You'll find it just a bit at the bottom of the first box. Now hit the download button. Just wait for the page to load. Now they'll see a little boxed link here. It'll say download tr_walkway_rc2.rar. To open the .rar file, you will need 7-zip or WinRAR. You can find that on another one of my tutorials. Just look it up on our channel. So now hit the download link. Don't hit any ads that say download, just this one boxed link. And you'll see it will download this tr_walkway_rc2.rar. So I have WinRAR installed right now. What you can do is just paste it onto your desktop. So just take this and drag it on. So now you have tr_walkway_rc2.rar on your desktop. So you can close your web browser now. You can open your file explorer and head over and do this. Scroll down, hit this PC, local disk, program files, bracket, x86, bracket. Scroll down until you see Steam. Scroll down until you see Steam apps, Common, Team Fortress 2, TF, and Maps. Now you're in the spot to be. So here's all the maps you've ever downloaded onto your game. You may not have known it, but every time you play a map, it has to be downloaded onto your client to actually register. So now open your .rar. You'll see that on here we have a couple files. We have our botmaxconfig.config. You won't be needing this file. We have the changelog.txt file, which if you run it, just shows the changes that they've made to this map over time. You can see that. And the two we will be needing is tr_walkway_rc2.bsp. That is actually the map file. You'll see all the other ones here are .bsp too. And we'll need the tr_walkway_rc2 readme. And actually this one's unnecessary, but I'll just show you what it is. So if you run this, make it full screen, this will actually show you everything you need to know about this map. It's extremely useful. It shows everything from settings to how to install if I didn't do a good enough job, and to all the way to trick stabs even, and rocket jumping, and lots of commands that you can use on this map. So now, close that up, and just remember it's there for when you need any help, or to use the internet of course. And now what you can do is drag your .bsp file into the maps. And you'll see it will have copied over and still be in your .rar too. Now you can close the .rar and start your Team Fortress game. So when we start up Team Fortress, you'll see everything will be normal as it starts up. So just let your game start up. I'm just going to turn my volume down so it doesn't overpower my voice. Alright. So now, once your game has started, just give mine a minute to load. Sorry, it won't actually take a minute. Maybe 10 seconds. Just give that a second. Sorry about the not responding. My game literally does this every time it starts. But it works. It works all the time. Oh gosh. Come on, TF2, you can do it. There we go. So once your game loads, just head over first. You're going to have to do this before every time you play on tr_walkway. But this part isn't actually necessary for every other map you play. Just tr_walkway. And it's probably some other ones, but mostly not. So just hit options. Now hit keyboard, advanced, and now make sure Enable Developer Console is checked. You need it enabled. So now hit OK, apply, and OK. So now what you can do is click the squiggly line key on your keyboard. I'd like you guys to remember that this is unnecessary if you're just installing a different map that is not TR_walkway. They actually had to add this fix in the new update of Team Fortress. So the squiggly line key is above the tab key and usually to the left of your upper row 1 key. So hit that key and you'll see the console will open. Now you should type this following command: sv_allow_point_server command and put space always. And what this will do is it will allow the bots to spawn into your game. So we'll run the command. Now you can click the create server button that's on the server tab. It's just a plus. Just give that a second to load up. Now from all these maps here, you can select all the maps. You're just gonna scroll till you find tr_walkway_sc2 that we just installed. You can see that's there. And in game, make sure your host name is Team Fortress 2, that doesn't really matter. But make sure, this is important, make sure your max players is 17, so all 16 bots can spawn alongside of yourself. Now click start, and it will load the world for you. Loading resources, it will have to initialize the resources too, and then you'll see we'll be able to join the game. Before we get there, I'd just like to let you guys know that for TR_walkway, an important part of playing it is you're actually going to have to join the red team because all of the bots join the blue team. So the only way to actually get your practice in is to join the red team. So initializing resources, as you can see, these bots are just running down this lane here. I'll show you around the settings room too. I'll actually show you what does happen if you do happen to join blue. So if we join blue, it says, please join the red team for playing this map. So we press period, join red. And now, when we respawn, you'll see all of these bots have joined the teams. And we see blue 16, 14, 12. Okay, so anyway, we have all these bots here. Now we can look at some settings. So walk through the settings room, and you can see you can change the class of the bots. You can spawn you can spawn competitive classes, light classes, air blast training classes, headshot training classes, random classes. You can control how many bots are spawning. You can create a firewall. You can kill all the bots, remove all the bots, reset the settings to defaults, change the gravity, add invisible walls, enable panic mode, enable toggle critical hits, toggle constant resupply, change the speed of your bots, stop the bots and make them start moving again, and change the deploy time of the bots. And last but not least, over to here, you can make it so bots walk back and forth. These are dodge options. Force the bots to jump, make crouch options, strafe options, normal strafe time options. This is a fun option that you can try out yourself. You can change the way they aim, change the if they can regenerate health and ammo, change if they start with full health, and change if they attack. And to actually change these, we can hit the thing itself with any weapon we're using. So you see bots of all classes are going down right now, but if I hit spy, there we go, and click kill all of the bots, you'll see all of the bots will die, and then they'll respawn over here, and you'll see all of them should be spies. So this is a really great map for practicing pretty much everything in the game. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, seriously, just comment and let me know. I'd be glad to help you. You can also email me at joe@thetutorialguys.ga. I hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe. And again, have a great day. Bye.